Hi students. If sin alpha minus cos alpha is equal to 1 by 3, then sin power 4 alpha minus cos power 4 alpha is equal to sin alpha, this is sin alpha minus cos alpha whole square, squaring on both sides, is equal to 1 by 9. So this is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha is equal to 1 by 9. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. 1 minus, this is a sin 2 alpha is equal to 1 by 9. So 1 minus 1 by 9 is equal to sin 2 alpha. So 8 by 9 is equal to sin 2 alpha. So sin 2 alpha value is what? 8 by 9. Now the value sin power 4 alpha minus cos power 4 alpha is equal to, this right, sin square alpha whole square minus cos square alpha whole square. So this is a square minus b square form. So that is a plus b into a minus b. So this is a sin square alpha plus cos square alpha into sin square alpha minus cos square alpha. So it is 1. And in this if you take minus is taken common, minus common. So this is cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. That equal to minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is cos 2 alpha. This is cos of 2 alpha. Okay, now we have to value of cos 2 alpha value. What is cos 2 alpha? Sin 2 alpha means what? So this is 2 alpha, 8 by 9. So this is 8 and this is 9. Suppose this is ABC. What is BC square is equal to what? AC square minus EAB square. That equal to 81 minus 64. That is equal to 81, that is equal to 17. So BC is equal to root of 17. Now therefore implies cos 2 alpha equal to, what is cos 2 alpha equal to? So this is root 17 by 9. Root of 17 by 9. That is equal to minus cos 2 alpha means what? So the value is minus root 17 by 9. That is the answer. So cos 2 alpha value is so this is cos 2 alpha. Now we have to find minus cos 2 alpha is what? Minus root 17 by 9. Next one, if cos x plus cos y plus cos z equal to 0 and also is equal to sin x plus sin y plus sin z, then tan of x minus y, then tan of x minus y is equal to tan of x minus y. So this is cos x plus cos y is equal to minus cos z, and sin x plus sin y and sin x plus sin y is equal to minus sin z. So this is second one. Now squaring and adding, squaring 1 and 2 and adding. So this is cos x plus cos y whole square plus this is sin x plus sin y whole square is equal to, so this is cos square z plus sin square z. Sin square z. So this is 1. Now this is a square cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x into cos y plus this is equal to 1 plus this is also a plus b whole square form. Sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x into sin y is equal to 1. Now cos square x plus sin square x 1 plus cos square y plus sin square y 1 plus these two, take 2 is taken common. If take 2 common, so this is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is equal to 1. So this is 2 plus 2 into, this is cos of x minus y, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, cos of x minus y is equal to 1. So 2 into cos of x minus y is equal to, so this is minus 1. So cos of x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos of x minus y is minus 1 by 2. So this is 1, this is 2. So this is a, b, c. What is ab square is equal to ac square minus bc square, that equal to 3. Therefore ab is equal to root 3. So this is root 3. Implies tan of, now we have to calculate the value tan of x minus y is equal to, so this is minus root 3 by 1, that is minus root 3, because this is cos is a negative. Cos negative means what? That is means x minus y. So this is x minus y lies in either second quadrant or third quadrant. If x minus y lies in second quadrant, so tan becomes negative. If x minus y lies in third quadrant, tan becomes positive. So if the options are given like this, minus root 3, minus root 2, 1 by 2. So if x cos x minus y cos negative means what? Either it lies in second quadrant or fourth quadrant. If x minus y lies in second quadrant, tan is negative. If x minus y lies in third quadrant, So this is tan is positive in the given options, that is minus root 3 is the correct answer. Next one, sine of n plus 1 x plus 2 sine nx. Two sine nx plus sine of n minus 1 into x by, so this is cos of n minus 1 x minus cos of n plus 1 x is equal to, so this is sine of nx plus x. First write and write next this term plus sine of nx minus x plus 2 sine nx by, so this is cos of nx minus x minus cos of nx plus x. Cos of nx plus x. Now sine of a plus b, these two together, sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b is equal to 2 sine a cos b. Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b is equal to 2 sine a cos b plus this is 2 sine nx by cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So this is 2 sine a sine b into sine b. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, 2 sine a sine b. Now you can take 2 sine nx is taking common. So this is what? 1 plus cos x. This is 1, this is cos x by 2 sine nx into sin x. So these two gets cancelled. And 1 plus cos x, that is 1 plus, where cos x is equal to what? Cos x formula 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Cos x formula 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Sin x formula is what? 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So 1 cancel, 2 cancel, square gets cancelled. That equal to cos x by 2 by, this is a sin x by 2, that equal to cot x by 2. Cot x by 2 is the answer. Next one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, then sin s plus sin of s minus a plus sin of s minus b minus sin of s minus c is equal to. Now using transformations, that is sin c plus sin d form and sin c minus sin d form, given that a plus b plus c equal to 2s. Now this is sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, s plus s minus a by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, c minus d, that is s minus s plus a by 2. Next plus sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, s minus b plus s minus c by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, that is s minus b minus s plus c by 2, minus of s minus c, that is minus s plus c. So 2 sin, this is 2s, where 2s equal to what? A plus b plus c. So okay, a plus b plus c, so 2s is a plus b plus c minus a by 2, and this is cos of a by, these two gets cancelled, cos a by 2, and this is plus 2 into, this is cos of 2s, where 2s is a plus b plus c minus b minus c by 2 into, so these two gets cancelled, into sin of minus b plus c by 2. That is so a gets cancelled. So this is 2 into sin of b plus c by 2 into, this is cos of a by 2. Next here bc cancel, this is plus 2 cos of a by 2. In this one you have to take minus is taking common, so this is sin of minus of b minus c by 2. So in this one 2 cos a by 2, 2 cos a by 2 common, 2 cos a by 2 is taking common, this is sin of b plus c by 2. Sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta, so this is minus sin of b minus c by 2. So this is 2 into cos a by 2, this is sin b by 2 plus c by 2 minus sin b by 2 minus c by 2. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b equal to 2 cos a sin b. So this is 2 cos a by 2, this is 2 cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. So these are all formulas. Sin of b plus c minus sin of b minus c equal to 2 cos b sin c. That means what? In b by 2, c by 2. So this is 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Otherwise, you write the expansion of first one and the expansion of second one. 2 terms gets cancelled. You get this result. So that is equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. So this is the answer. Next one. Same model questions. If a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, then sin of s minus a plus sin of s minus b plus sin of s minus c minus sin s is equal to, just you have to prove these two results. A plus b plus c equal to 2s. This is 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Second one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, then prove that this is sin es minus sin of s minus a minus sin of s minus b minus sin of s minus c is equal to that is minus 4 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. So these two problems also same as the previous sum. If a plus b plus c equal to 2s, by using the transformations sin c plus sin d form and sin c minus sin d form. Next one. If sin alpha plus cos alpha is equal to m, then the value of sine power 6 alpha plus cos power 6 alpha is equal to, so first of all, by squaring this one, squaring this, squaring on both sides, sine square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 2 sine alpha into cos alpha is equal to m square. So this is 1 plus 2 sine alpha cos alpha is equal to m square. So 2 sine alpha cos alpha is equal to m square minus 1. So from this implies sine alpha into cos alpha is equal to m square minus 1 by 2. So this is one result. Treat as 1. Now sine power 6 alpha plus cos power 6 alpha is equal to, that we have to reduce a cube plus b cube form. That is right. A cube plus b cube form. So sine power 6 alpha can be written as what? Sine square alpha whole cube plus cos square alpha whole cube. So this is a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube form is? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So this is where a is sine square alpha, b is cos square alpha. A plus b whole cube, sine square alpha plus cos square alpha whole cube minus 3 ab, where a is sine square alpha, b is cos square alpha into a plus b, sine square alpha plus cos square alpha. So this is 1. 1 cube is 1 minus 3 sine alpha cos alpha whole square into, again this is 1. Now sine alpha cos alpha is m square minus 1 by 2. So whole square, that is equal to 1 minus 3 into sine alpha cos alpha is, so this is m square minus 1 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 1 minus 3 times of m square minus 1 whole square by 4. That is the value of sine power 6 alpha plus cos power 6 alpha. Next one, the value of cos alpha minus cos 3 alpha into sin 8 alpha plus sin 2 alpha by sin 5 alpha minus sin alpha into cos 4 alpha minus cos 6 alpha is equal to value. So cos C minus cos D, sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C minus cos D. So these are all 4 formulas. First one, cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, 4 alpha by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 minus 2 alpha by 2. C minus D is alpha minus 3 alpha, that is minus 2 alpha by 2 into, so this is bracket into, this is sin C plus sin D, that is 2 sin C plus D by 2, 10 alpha by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, 6 alpha by 2 by sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Next cos C minus cos D. So into cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, 10 alpha by 2, sin C minus D by 2 minus 2 alpha by 2. There 2 cancel. Okay, this is cos 3 alpha cancel, sin 2 alpha gets cancelled, sin 2 alpha by 2, these gets cancelled, and 10 alpha by 2 cancel, minus of the minus gets cancelled, 2 and also these 2 gets cancelled, that equal to 1 is the answer. Okay, all terms gets cancelled. Next one, if sin of x plus y by sin of x minus y is equal to a plus b by a minus b, then tan x by tan y is equal to, in terms of a and b, tan x by tan y equal to. Here, by applying componendo and dividendo rule. Componendo and dividendo. What is componendo and dividendo? If a by b is equal to c by d, implies a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. So this is componendo and dividendo rule. Okay, now this is sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y by sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y is equal to a plus b plus a minus b by a plus b minus of a minus b. componendo and dividendo. So this is equal to b cancel 2a by, so a plus b minus a plus b. So these two gets cancelled. 2a by 2b, that is a by b. Now this side sin c sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b by sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, 2 cos a sin b is equal to a by b, that is a by b. So 2 gets cancelled. This is sin by cos is tan x into cos by sin is cot y is equal to a by b. So tan x into this is 1 by tan y is equal to a by b. Therefore tan x by tan y is equal to a by b. Tan x by tan y is a by b. Next one, if a plus b plus c equal to is equal to 0 degrees, then sin a plus sin b plus sin c is equal to a plus b plus c equal to 0 degrees. Now sin c plus sin d form, that is 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus sin c. So this is 2 into sin of a plus b equal to what? Minus c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin c formula 2 sin c by 2 into cos of c by 2. So this is sin of minus c equal to what? C by 2 equal to minus 2 sin c by 2, and this is cos of a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. So 2 sin c by 2 is taking common, or minus 2 sin c by 2 is taking common. So this is cos of a minus b by 2. Minus is taken common, so this becomes what? Minus cos c by 2. So this is minus 2 sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 minus, what is c is equal to? Minus of a plus b. So this is cos of minus of a plus b by 2. Now cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So minus 2 sin c by 2. This is cos of a minus b by 2, and this is minus cos of a plus b by 2. So this is minus 2 sin c by 2. This is cos a by 2 minus b by 2, cos of, minus this is cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b equal to 2 sin a sin b. So that is minus 2 sin c by 2 into this is 2 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. Therefore 2 2s are 4. The answer is minus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 and sin c by 2. So this is the answer. Okay, write down. Thank you.